Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking lamb cobbler. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat an oven to 200 degrees. In a bowl, mix together the self-raising flour, baking powder and half of the parmesan. Stir in half of the butter until the mixture is crumbly. Now add the milk and keep stirring until the dough forms a ball. Save a little milk as you'll need this to brush the scones before they bake. Use your hands to knead the dough until it's smooth. Place the dough onto a floured surface and roll it out to a thickness of 2.5 centimeters. Cut it into circles, one for each portion you're preparing. Place the circles on a floured plate and refrigerate. Meanwhile, mix together the water and flour. Put to one side. Place a frying pan on a medium heat. Melt the remaining butter and add the onions and garam masala. Stir for 3 minutes to cook the onions. Add the garlic and cook for another 5 minutes. Now add the lamb, Worcestershire sauce, brandy and port. Stir everything together and cook until the lamb is no longer pink. Add the peas and your water flour mix. Simmer everything for about 5 minutes while frequently stirring. Place the lamb mix in a baking tray and ensure the layer is not too thin. Place the scones on top with the edges just meeting. Brush the scones with milk and sprinkle with parmesan cheese. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes when the scones should turn a beautiful golden brown. Enjoy this dish while it's hot. The crisp, soft, cheesy scones are a treat alongside the wonderfully juicy and flavourful lamb beneath. A real winner. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.